So today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Sandisk Extreme 256GB micro SD card. We'll give you a quick overview, then we're going to pop it in my USB 3.0 adapter here and give you some real world tests for speed over on my computer. So I'll run a speed test so you can see what kind of results we get in a real world example. So let's dive into it. So again, what we've got here is the Sandisk Extreme 256GB micro SD card with extreme capture, transfer, and app speeds. It shows you can use it with Android devices. You can shoot 4K UHD. You can use it in a drone or your action camera. And that's actually why I bought this, because it's one of the few cards that GoPro recommends to use in their GoPro Hero 10 Black. That's what I'm going to be using it in. You can see for speeds, it shows speeds up to 160 megabytes per second read speeds and 90 megabytes per second write speeds. So up to those speeds. It's A2 for faster app loading and performance. You can see the cards right here. It's a red and gold color. And it also comes with this SD card adapter. If you have devices that take an SD card, you can put the micro SD card in the SD card adapter and use it maybe in your camera or some other device. So as for speed class, it is a C10U3 V30A2 micro SD card. And it even says here at the very top, it's waterproof, it's temperature proof, it's shock proof, and X-ray proof. Let's go ahead and open this up. So there's the micro SD card there. You can see it's red and gold in color on the one side, it's black on the other side. And if you do want to use this SD card adapter, it's very easy to use. You just take the micro SD card, put it in the slot here and slide it in. Now you can use it in other devices, maybe cameras or different things as an SD card. If you'd like to use it as a micro SD card again, you just slide that out and you can use it in devices like a GoPro or other devices like a smartphone that use micro SD cards. Let's go ahead and put this in my USB 3.0 adapter here and plug it into my computer and run a speed test so you can see what the real world speeds are like on this Sandisk Extreme micro SD card. So I've got the Sandisk Extreme micro SD card plugged into my Windows 11 computer here. Let's go ahead and select the correct drive. You can see it's giving me 238 gigabytes of storage space. Let's go ahead and run this speed test, and then I'll come right back to you with the results. So the speed test is complete here, and again, these are the results I got with my USB 3.0 micro SD card adapter. I'm not going to go through all these numbers, so you can pause it here if you do want to take a closer look. But as for the read speed, I got 97.64 megabytes per second. And with the write speed, I got 88.73 megabytes per second, which is a great number if you're looking to record 4K video like I'm looking to do with this memory card. And again, this is the one I bought for my GoPro Hero 10 Black. And again, this is the Sandisk Extreme 256GB micro SD card. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.